Hello everyone. So it's another day and it's almost morning 11:30. Yesterday I came back home by almost 11:30 night and till morning 4 almost I was editing my last vlog. So in one more hour you will be getting that vlog by I guess 12. So you will be watching that video. Make sure to let me know or to give that feedback that how was that last vlog. Right now you can see how much tired I am, and moreover it's raining again. I don't know why it's raining. Why the hell it's raining? And moreover I'm so damn tired. Till morning 9 I was almost sleeping. Then for last 2 hours I'm just drowsy. And right now we have to sort out few things because as I already told you people that the construction stuff is just going on. We have completed that now, and now it's time for painting the walls and the selecting colors and those things. As you people already know, we are a typical middle class family, so we cannot afford an interior designer. Hence my parents have a belief that I will be selecting out good colors. So I am the person who is supposed to select out the colors and start up with all those stuff. And because there are people those who are working on that, so I will be instructing them, though I am not qualified enough to do that, but still I have to. And that's why I will be taking you people along so that you people can have a glance where is the construction, what I'm talking about. But right now I'm just on the rooftop. You can see rooftop. And you can see my background is just completely green. That's Agartala and that's a beautiful city and we are just enjoying. So before I leave back for Chennai, that's on 22nd of this month, so I have to complete out the painting and all. In just 2 days we have Lakshmi Puja as well. So before that the premises for the goddess and that stuff and that room have to be sorted out. So first we'll be watching how to complete that in time. So come. So we are right now planning for making this hall as the puja premise. As those who have already seen that last vlog, they already know that the things are right now going in my place, but we will be shifting that here on the top of that. Yes, and so before it's Lakshmi Puja, that is we have just 2 days time, we have to complete that wall. And these walls, these are right now just white. The base is done. Now we have to select out the colors. We have to start up working on that. Now look at that door, we have to complete that. Now okay, let me take you to the drawing hall and all those stuff. Just look at the mess, guys. Just look at the mess. You think that we can complete the things in just 2 days? I'm damn sure we cannot. So what we are planning, will first complete out the puja premise and all that hall, and if time permits we will come back here. But somehow before 22nd of this month, that is before I leave for Chennai, we have to complete this place. So these are the doors which I will be painting, and I will make separate videos how I paint them and those stuff. Right now everything is looking damn dirty, damn messy. Okay, I'll take you people along. We'll start up the work right now. Another day, and you have already seen that I was cooking in the morning and then my father went for office. Right now it's almost 10 and you can see the background. So that is the puja premise and that part. So we have completed the base color. Now on the top of that we are going to have some designs. I don't know what about my sound and everything, because I guess it's eco. I'm not sure about that. So the base color is complete finally, and right now me and mummy, we are just going out for getting that stuff from a paint shop. So let's see what we get. So finally I have completed that one. Yes, that's the Ganpati, and these are the sticker paintings that we have completed and that I have painted, as you have already seen. So that was the work that I have completed. So tomorrow morning is Lakshmi Puja. See you in the next vlog. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button